ready to transform your delicious recipes into mouth-watering videos that captivate your audience. That's exactly what we're about to do, using just your Nikon D3500. First, let's get your camera dialed and we'll be shooting in movie mode. So power on your D3500 and twist that mode dial all the way to the movie icon. For the best quality, navigate to your video settings. We want to select the highest available resolution, likely 1080p, and the highest frame rate, usually 60 frames per second. This gives you smooth motion and a little flexibility in editing. Now for the crucial aperture for that beautiful blurred background, which makes your food pop. Aim for a wide aperture. Think f/18 or f/28 if your lens allows. This creates that lovely shallow depth of field we saw at the start. Lighting is your secret weapon. Position your cooking setup near a window for soft, natural light. Avoid direct sunlight, which causes harsh shadows if natural light isn't enough. A simple laid panel bounced off a wall or ceiling will do wonders to create a gentle, flattering light on your food. Composition is key to keeping viewers engaged. Mix up your shots. Start with a wider shot to establish your kitchen, then move into medium shots of the cooking process, and finally, those mouth-watering close-ups of the final dish or key steps. Think about telling a story with each frame. Don't forget audio. While your D3500 has a built-in microphone for crystal clear sound, consider an external lavalier microphone. Clip it to your shirt and plug it into the camera's microphone jack. This will dramatically improve the quality of your voiceovers and minimize background kitchen noise. Finally, focus on presentation. A clean workspace and attractive plating are essential. Ensure your food looks its absolute best before you hit record. Your Nikon D3500 is a fantastic tool. With these settings and techniques, you're well on your way to creating stunning cooking videos that will make everyone hungry.